Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we are in St. Louis, Missouri at a Oktoberfest. And as you can see, Dory, this one's for you. I even did Genesis hair in French braids. I'm not sure why they're called French braids, because they're actually German braids or Viking braids.
I never really got that.
Now, we're trying to get over Deron's shoulder. There's live music, and then there's food and drink, and the crowd is just starting to come in. As you can see, Deron, of course, got all dressed for the festivities. Orion, get in with your dad. And today, we are blessed to have Orion, Deron's son, with us again at a festival.
Hold on a sec.
Hit the wrong button.
Yeah.
Ist das nicht ein Wagendraht? Ja, das ist ein Wagendraht. Ist das nicht ein Krumm? Times never seem so good. So good, so good, so good. I'm in mine.
Take a second. Take a second. Prost.
What a fantastic day. Afterwards, I went to see two of our other sons and their families. Oh my goodness, what a fantastic day. We had such fun. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like. Let me know, do you go to Oktoberfest or Ren fairs or any of that sort of stuff? Maybe even Comic-Cons? Do you dress up? Do you make your own outfits? Let me know. And while you're at it, subscribe or resubscribe to the channel. Don't forget, YouTube unsubscribed you unsuspectingly.